Hello, welcome again to another session of this AutoCAD 2D practice. Okay, this practice is going to be the last one in the series under O2D. So, I will use this opportunity to say that if you have not subscribed to the channel, please, and you are interested in learning AutoCAD, especially 3D, please subscribe now and turn on notification, because after this video the next video will be on 3D practice. So subscribe and turn on notification. Today this is what we are going to draw, the top view of this propeller. This is what we are going to draw. So as I'm going to say out the dimensions I'm going to use, and if you look at the screen very well, especially command line, you will be able to understand what I am doing. Even if you cannot get what I speak out, you can look at the command line or the screen to see the data I insert, the values I put in. So without wasting time, let's start. So first of all, at your drawing page, what you do is you pick a circle tool from home menu, pick a circle tool, you draw a circle of radius, that radius 20, you enter and pick, you pick a center, the same center, this time around radius of 8. So next thing I'm going to do, I will pick this 3-point arc from tool bar, and then I will turn off this object snap. Then I will pick a point up here that is not touching this circle. So I will pick the first point, pick second point around here, and then pick the third point outside here, just like this. And the next thing, I will go to this parametric tab, and then I will click on radius, and then click on this arc. See, you can see that you have here radius of 19, so we don't need 19. You enter, double click and enter radius of 20 and press enter. Now you can see. So what are we going to do next? From this same parametric tab, you click on tangents constraint, and then you select on the arc and select on the circle. They are now tangential to each other now. So what you do is just extend this arc to join the circle. See, he has joined the circle very well. Okay, so the next thing you are going to do is to delete constraint. To delete constraints, you click on this tab, delete constraints, you select everything and press enter. Now the next thing we are going to do is to offset this arc. So press offset with 2 units and offset it downward. The next thing I'm going to do is to trim. So I will trim this CR, you trim this part, trim this part, trim this part, trim this part, and then trim this part. The next thing I'm going to do is to draw a circle. You go back to home menu, pick a circle tool, and locate the center of these parts. You turn on your object snap, make sure you turn it on, locate the center, this particular one, not this one. At this center, you do radius of 5, and again the same center, you do radius of 2.5. Enter. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to do fillet. So you type F for fillet, enter radius of 0.6, and then we are going to make this sharp edge. Click here and click here, make it fillet. Enter again, click here and click here, make it fillet. You can see at this point is sharp. It's sharp now. So when we do the fillet, it's a little round. Okay. So at this point, you go to polar array. You click polar array. You select these objects. That's the one I select. You click enter and come to this center. You see. Now here you have 6. What you do, you go to this point and put 8 values, 8 items. From there you can click anywhere. It has increased to 8. Now you can close that. So the next thing we are going to do right now is to take another circle. At this point you make a circle of 22, radius of 22. Again, at the same center you make another radius of 24, and here we have what we were required to do. This is exactly what we were required to draw. Now it looks like this circle is not correct, so let me delete this particular circle. Let's do the circle again. Circle, pick the center and type 24. Oh, why does it look like it is not correct? Okay, let me delete it completely and see what is happening. Circle. This is the center of the circle, right? 22. Now I'll pick the same center, 24. Okay, this is fine. I think I made a mistake while picking the first center. So this is it, as simple as that. This is exactly what was required. It's as simple. So please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, because the next lesson is going to be on 3D. You won't want to miss it. You won't want to miss it. So let's start as we are starting, so that you'll be able to follow up. Please subscribe to the channel so that you'll be able to catch up with what we are doing. Alright, bye for now. Till then.